Hello everybody, this is Dr. Cole, Saturday night, August 28th, as we move into week 3 of Con Law, Political Science 3753 for the fall term. Everybody, what we have on the syllabus for this week are efforts to curb the court and threshold requirements. Now, you've been quizzed already on material related to both of these topics. Okay. One way to curb or limit the Supreme Court is to use that constitutional provision that has been so rarely used to remove a matter from the jurisdiction of the court. Now, that's what was at issue in Ex parte McCardle. In Baker versus Carr, the reapportionment case, the court had to decide whether the matter was a political question to be left up to elected officials rather than the courts. In 1948, they had taken a similar case and they ducked the issue, claiming it was a political question. But you'll see they looked at it differently in 1962. You've seen that already. So, all that's on the syllabus for this week is the class notes and readings from the textbook related to all that, some of which you may have looked at already. I wanted to back off a little bit this week going into the Labor Day weekend, and we are also dealing with Hurricane Ida here, and I may be incommunicado for a few days without electric power or Wi-Fi access. I hope that will be resolved within a couple of days. But anyway, what we have for you this week is the textbook assignment and the class notes on efforts to curb the court and threshold requirements. Now everybody, when we come back after Labor Day, we have a discussion and a quiz coming up pretty quickly. The discussion will involve the commission that President Biden has created to study the Supreme Court and recommend possible changes. One thing for you to think about is that commission in itself an effort to push back at the Supreme Court? I think I mentioned there's been considerable controversy about all of President Trump's appointments to the Supreme Court, 3 of them altogether: Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett. Okay, so that will be coming up after Labor Day. Also, when we get to that week of September 6th, Monday the 6th being Labor Day itself, okay, that week what we have on the syllabus is executive power. And the next quiz is going to involve 2 controversial cases involving executive power in the national security area. The Korematsu case from World War II and the steel seizure case from the early days of the Cold War involving President Truman. So those cases and excerpts from the opinions take up about 10 pages in your textbook. You can begin looking at that if you wish. That will be the subject matter for quiz 2 after we come back from Labor Day. So we have quite a bit after Labor Day. All we have on the syllabus this week is the class notes and the textbook assignment for lectures 4 and 5, efforts to curb the court or to limit the court, and then threshold requirements. So be looking at that and then looking ahead to what we have on executive power after Labor Day. And with any luck, I'll be talking to you once again 1 week from now at the same time. So study hard, take it easy.